Today I quickly want to talk to you about this Apollo Walker picnic backpack. This is a really solid backpack for, just days in the park, picnicking and such. Comes with everything you need. Got a couple glasses, you have some silverware, salt and pepper shakers, small little cutting board right here. Also comes with a flask that you can use for, wine, water, whatever, and a picnic blanket as well. Put a couple napkins on the inside. Plenty of storage, which I really like. Very comfortable to wear. This little extra mesh netting pocket in the side here. And beyond these pockets, you have a small pocket in the front. Small storage right there. And a much larger pocket in the back, which you can use to store food, snacks, pretty much whatever you need. Very, like I said, comfortable backpack to wear. Plenty of room on the inside, which I love. Haven't used it for hiking or anything yet. And the one thing I will say is that I think, compared to some other ones I looked at, this the silverware, so you can call it, feels a little bit on the cheap side, but again, outdoor use anyway, so it's not the biggest deal in the world. If you are looking for a good mid-range picnic backpack though, highly recommend this one.